So Xiaomi Mi A series has always been well known for its stock Android experience, so that means this device will run with a pure and clean Android software with no customizations or bloatware. This device comes with an in-display fingerprint scanner. At the front, this device comes with a 6.088-inch HD Plus display. So it is pretty surprising to see that Xiaomi decided to use a 720p display on the Mi A3 because its previous generation Mi A1 and Mi A2 uses a Full HD Plus display. So in front, you will also see there's a tiny notch that houses the 32-megapixel selfie camera. And this time, the bezels are actually much thinner if you are to compare it with its predecessor, but the chin is actually still quite noticeable, but that's not really a big issue. Keeping the Mi A3 running is a Snapdragon 665 processor, which is not much of a difference from the Mi A2, which has a 660 chipset. This device over here also comes with 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of internal storage. This device comes with a triple camera setup, so the main camera here is a 48 megapixel main camera, and the secondary camera is an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, and the third camera is a depth sensor, a 2 megapixel depth sensor. In terms of battery capacity, this device gets a 4030 mAh battery with support of 18-watt fast charging via USB-C.